Welcome to Calwain Health TV, your ultimate destination for health and wellness. In today's video, we're diving into intermittent fasting, what it is, how it works, and why it might be the game changer you've been looking for. But before you then, make sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on our latest videos and health tips. Have you hit that subscribe button yet? Click it now and join the Calwain Health TV family. Let's get started. Intermittent fasting is gaining popularity as a way to improve health and manage weight. This method has been embraced by many for its simplicity and effectiveness. It's not about what you eat, but when you eat. Timing is everything in this approach. It cycles between periods of eating and voluntary fasting on a regular schedule. This routine can be easily adapted to fit your daily life. This pattern helps regulate your body's natural processes, promoting better digestion and metabolism. Unlike dieting, intermittent fasting focuses on time-restricted feeding. This means you can still enjoy your favorite foods within a specific time frame. This approach doesn't restrict specific foods. You have the freedom to choose what you eat. Instead, it focuses on when you consume them. Timing your meals can make a significant difference. Many find this sustainable because it's flexible and can fit into various lifestyles. Whether you're at work or socializing, it can be adapted. Understanding the principles of intermittent fasting can help you determine if it's the right approach for you. Knowledge is key to making informed decisions. Intermittent fasting is not a one-size-fits-all solution. Everyone's body responds differently. It's crucial to approach it with a balanced perspective. Listen to your body and adjust as needed. Consulting a healthcare professional before making significant dietary changes is always recommended. They can offer valuable insights. They can provide personalized guidance based on your individual needs and health conditions. Tailored advice ensures better results. Remember, always prioritize your well-being and make informed decisions. Your health should always come first. Intermittent fasting is a tool that, when used appropriately, can potentially enhance your health journey. Embrace it with mindfulness and care. Intermittent fasting offers a range of potential health benefits. Many people experience weight loss due to reduced calorie intake. But the advantages go beyond shedding pounds. This eating pattern can improve insulin sensitivity, a crucial factor in managing blood sugar levels. Fasting can also lower insulin levels, which may contribute to weight management. Additionally, some studies suggest that intermittent fasting promotes cellular repair processes. This includes autophagy, where cells degrade and recycle old components. Furthermore, intermittent fasting has been linked to a lower risk of chronic diseases. These include type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and even some neurodegenerative disorders. While more research is needed to fully understand these long-term effects, preliminary findings are promising. However, it's essential to remember that individual results may vary. Factors like genetics, lifestyle, and overall health play a role in how your body responds to intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting offers various methods, each with its own schedule and guidelines. This flexibility allows individuals to choose a plan that aligns with their preferences and daily routines. One popular method is the 16-8 method, also known as time-restricted feeding. It involves fasting for 16 hours each day and consuming all meals within an 8-hour eating window. Another approach is the 5-2 diet, where you eat normally for 5 days a week. Then, you restrict your calorie intake to 500 to 600 calories for 2 non-consecutive days. The Eat-Stop-Eat method involves a 24-hour fast once or twice a week. For example, you might choose to stop eating from dinner one day to dinner the next day. It's important to experiment and find a method that suits your lifestyle. What works for one person might not work for another. Consider your schedule, hunger cues, and any underlying health conditions when making a decision. During your eating windows, prioritize nutrient-dense foods to support your body's needs. Lean proteins, such as chicken, fish, tofu, and legumes, help you feel full and maintain muscle mass. Incorporate whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and oats for sustained energy and fiber. Healthy fats, found in avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil, are essential for hormone production and cell function. Don't forget to include a variety of fruits and vegetables for vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These foods provide a wide array of nutrients that contribute to overall health and well-being. They also help stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing energy crashes and cravings. Remember, intermittent fasting is about making conscious food choices, not just restricting calories. By focusing on quality nutrition during eating periods, you can optimize the potential benefits of this eating pattern. Section 5. Foods to avoid when intermittent fasting. Minimizing disruptions. While intermittent fasting emphasizes the timing of eating, it's also crucial to pay attention to the foods you consume. The right choices can make a significant difference in your fasting experience. Certain foods can hinder your progress and counteract the potential benefits of fasting. It's important to be aware of these foods and avoid them as much as possible. Processed foods, often high in unhealthy fats, sugar, and sodium, provide minimal nutritional value and can spike blood sugar levels. These foods are typically found in packaged snacks, fast food, and ready-to-eat meals. Sugary beverages, such as soda and fruit juices, offer empty calories and can lead to energy fluctuations. These drinks can also increase your cravings for more sugar, making it harder to stick to your fasting plan. Refined carbohydrates like white bread, pasta, and pastries are quickly digested, causing rapid spikes and crashes in blood sugar. This can leave you feeling tired and hungry soon after eating. These types of foods can trigger insulin spikes, disrupt blood sugar control, and interfere with the metabolic benefits of fasting. Consistently consuming them can undermine your fasting efforts. Additionally, they often lack the essential nutrients your body needs, leaving you feeling unsatisfied and more prone to cravings. This can lead to overeating and weight gain, which defeats the purpose of intermittent fasting. By minimizing or eliminating these foods from your diet, you can support your body's natural processes during intermittent fasting and promote overall health. Opt for whole, nutrient-dense foods to keep your energy levels stable and your body nourished. Embarking on an intermittent fasting journey can be made easier with practical tips that support your efforts. Staying hydrated is crucial throughout the day, especially during fasting periods. Water plays a vital role in bodily functions, and dehydration can lead to fatigue, headaches, and difficulty concentrating. Listen to your body's hunger cues and adjust your fasting schedule as needed. If you experience extreme hunger or discomfort, consider shortening your fasting window or opting for a less restrictive method. Consulting a healthcare professional before starting intermittent fasting is essential. They can assess your overall health, provide personalized guidance, and address any concerns or potential risks. Remember, intermittent fasting is not suitable for everyone. Pregnant or breastfeeding women, individuals with certain medical conditions, and those with a history of disordered eating should avoid this dietary approach. Intermittent fasting is not merely a dietary trend, but rather a lifestyle choice that extends beyond calorie restriction. To fully reap its potential benefits, it's essential to adopt a holistic approach that encompasses various aspects of well-being. Regular physical activity complements intermittent fasting by boosting metabolism, enhancing insulin sensitivity, and improving overall health. Engaging in activities you enjoy, such as brisk walking, swimming, or cycling, can make a significant difference. Prioritizing sleep is crucial as it allows your body to repair and rejuvenate itself. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to support hormonal balance, cognitive function, and overall well-being. Managing stress is equally important as chronic stress can negatively impact your health. Incorporate stress-reducing techniques like meditation, deep breathing exercises, or spending time in nature. As you navigate the world of intermittent fasting, remember that your body is your greatest guide. Pay close attention to its signals and adjust your approach accordingly. If you experience any adverse effects such as dizziness, fainting, or severe headaches, break your fast immediately and consult a healthcare professional. It's normal to experience some initial hunger pangs during fasting periods. These sensations usually subside as your body adapts to the new eating pattern. However, if hunger becomes unbearable or interferes with your daily activities, consider adjusting your fasting window or choosing a different method. Intermittent fasting should not feel like a punishment or deprivation. If you find yourself constantly struggling with cravings or feeling deprived, it's essential to reevaluate your approach. Remember, sustainability is key. The most effective approach is one that you can maintain over the long term without compromising your health or well-being. Incorporating mindful eating practices can significantly enhance your intermittent fasting journey, making it more effective and enjoyable. Mindful eating involves paying close attention to your food, savoring each bite, and being fully present during meals. This means engaging all your senses to truly appreciate the flavors, textures, and aromas. Avoid distractions such as television, phones, or computers while eating. This helps you stay focused on your meal and prevents mindless overeating. This allows you to fully focus on the sensory experience of your meal, promoting better digestion and greater satisfaction. Enjoying your food can also enhance your overall eating experience. Practice portion control by listening to your body's hunger and fullness cues. This helps you avoid overeating and ensures you eat just the right amount your body needs. Eat slowly and take breaks between bites. Stop eating when you feel comfortably satisfied, not overly full. This can help you better recognize when you've had enough. Remember, mindful eating is not about restriction, but rather about developing a healthier relationship with food. It's about enjoying your meals and making thoughtful choices. By cultivating awareness around your eating habits, you can make conscious choices that support both your physical and mental well-being. Keeping a food journal can also help you track your progress and stay mindful. Intermittent fasting can be a valuable tool for improving your health and well-being. It can help you feel more energetic and maintain a healthy lifestyle. By understanding the principles, choosing a suitable method, and making mindful choices, you can unlock its potential benefits and embark on a transformative journey towards a healthier you. Embrace this approach to achieve long-term health and wellness. Make sure to watch this and other health-related videos on Calwain Health TV. Don't forget to check out the description box for more information, helpful resources, and links to top-rated health products and services. See you there.